SMI Group was founded in 2007 with its own vision as Turkey's flat steel and steel sheet industry. SMI Group, which renews itself continuously associated with its new investments, has a great strategic value with smart investments and close position to customer centers since it has founded. SMI Group, one of the leading industry with 50 tons production capacity per day, and it's one of the best companies in galvanized sheet processing in the country. SMI Group in the steel and energy sector serves the all purposes of welding, rollforming, flat product processing, machining, sandblasting and painting. SMI Group delivers its products by controlling them according to high quality standards and guarantees the continuity and development of personal qualification and quality. SMI Group's strong position in the market is based on dynamic workforce, modernist features, continuity of investments for growing and development, customer-oriented service and sense of quality. By being in a close relationship with customers, SMI Group finds specific solutions for customer requirements and always renews itself with feedbacks from qualified field installation teams. The zero-error analysis system, which has adopted by SMI Group since it has founded, has a great part of role to reach its success. SMI Group is a major company in Turkey that produces steel structures for solar systems, industrial plants, substructures, and fasteners with rover construction. SMI Group, always looking forward and aiming to be a leader in the sector, is also being pioneered of the first in a sector with quality certificates and expertise certificates. SMI Group always minds to protect the environment in all production activities and makes effort to be pioneer in its sector by with its existing and developing production capacity, experience and dynamic workforce, importance given to health and safety at work, and ability to offer special services to its customers. The principles of SMI Group following until today, such as zero-error analysis, customer satisfaction, emergency management, 5S and suggestion management, take place at the base of continuous improvement work.